Good morning to all. This is for class 5th MSc. Class 5th, today we are going to start our new chapter number 7 towards success. Mr. P. Vijayan IPS was the police commissioner in Thiruvananthapuram in 2013. He was born and brought up in a poor family in Kozhikode. By the time he reached in class 10th, he had to leave school and go for construction work to help his family. Those days, he heard about the coaching classes given at night to prepare for class 10th board exams. Vijayan worked hard during daytime and at night joined the coaching classes from 8 to 10 p.m. He passed class 10th board exam with good marks. So, a person whose name was P. Vijayan, currently he was the IPS in Thiruvananthapuram. So, he was born in a poor family. When his studies is going on, the day when he reached to class 10, he had to leave the school because his family was poor and cannot afford the fees. Then what he did, he started working by his own. So he used to go for the construction work in order to help his family. Then during daytime, he used to work for his family. And then later on, he heard about a coaching center who used to give coaching at night from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, he joined that coaching center in order to clear his board exam. Then at night, he used to study and in daytime, he used to work. And later on, he passed his board exam with good marks. Now, without going to any college, he appeared privately for class 12th. While he was working as a daily wage laborer for further studies, he joined a college at Kozhikode. He earned money for studies with his own hard work. Vijayan was a great reader. He read hundreds of books. He changed his destiny through hard work. Now, after passing out 10th, he joined another school which was private. That means he need not to go to school. So, from there he started doing his class 12th. His labor work was also going on side by side and his studies was also going on. Then, for further studies, he joined a college at Kozhikode. Then he earned money for his studies only with his hard work, his own hard work. Then Vijayan was also having a quality of reading. He was a good reader. He read thousands of books and that changed his destiny. So the destiny of Vijayan has changed through his hard work. Next, clear vision about his future helped him to move forward. He came out of the college as a topper in the subject. Along with hard work, the positive thoughts, if I work hard, I can reach at the top, motivated him. After completing his post-graduation, he formulated a new dream, IPS. He failed twice in qualifying examination, but his dream became his passion. Nothing could prevent him from his passionate dream. Hard work with determination helped Vijayan to qualify in the third attempt. Now, he started thinking of his future, that what he has to become in his life. He came out from the college as a topper in the subject. He was the topper in the college. with hard work. Means hard work was also a thing that he was doing, but along with that he was having a positive thought. And what was his thought? That if I will work hard, I can reach to the top. This was his thought. Only by this thought he get motivated. So after completing his post graduation, he thought of a new dream. What was his dream? To become an IPS officer. Now he started working to qualify the IPS exam. Then he failed twice. But now his dream became his passion. Now he want to become only and only IPS officer. He did not put any choice. So accordingly he started working more harder and harder, and finally in the third attempt he was able to qualify the examination and he became the IPS officer. Mr. P. Vijayan IPS, once he spoke to the world through media, if we don't succeed, nothing will happen to the world. Loss is ours, so we have to find out the possibilities and work hard tirelessly. So once IPS officer Mr. P. Vijayan spoke to the world, means one of the media person was taking his interview. Then in that interview he said that if we don't get succeed, if we are not able to achieve success, then loss is of ours only. It is not the world who is going to face the loss. To the world, nothing is going to happen with your loss, but you only will have the problem. So work hard and find out all the possible ways to find the success. Now next one is Glenn Cunningham. Glenn Cunningham was born in Atlanta, Kansas in 1909, United States. When he was 8 years old, he was born in an accident. Flesh of both the legs was burned up. Doctors suggested amputating his legs, but Glenn and his parents did not agree. Now, next successful person is his name was Glenn Cunningham. He was born in Atlanta, in Kansas. So when he was just 8 years old, his leg burned in an accident, and the flesh of both the legs came out, burned, and doctor suggested to cut his leg, but Glenn and his parents did not agree. They were not agree that Glenn has to cut his leg. So for today, till here it is enough. Then in next video I will provide you the further explanation of the chapter.